Yeah. Come on.
Cannon.
It's been a long time coming, baby. You know, but it was inevitable. Had to grow up sometime, you know what I'm saying?
Speak to him.
Yeah, I've been treating this part of life like a dance flow. Sidestepping all the things I made plans for. And I ain't acting when I'm taking on a man's role. Chance to enhance a fam can be a handful. I'd rather have my hands full than be empty-handed. Traveled all around the planet, still I haven't planned it. Burn roots like my great-grandpappy. Married 65 years, 20 kids, same family. Strong as an ox and I'm from the same stock. So I won't be hanging out until I see the sun o'clock. Been a long time coming, but I'm coming at a decent hour. Everything I have is ours, start the wedding shower. T-ball games in the summer, ballet in the winter. And I ain't scrolling through my Twitter while we having dinner. Time to grow up, done drinking till I throw up. Neglecting little man for my plans, trying to blow up. Some people so focused on the road to success, they don't see their whole family laying dead on the tracks. I'd rather cease to have my lyrics read over tracks and put some family photos on the wall instead of plaques, yeah. Church closed on the mic light. It's been a long time coming, but we here now, unashamed.